Good job. Look at that. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Already.
What do you need?
I need a blanket on.
You need Chloe?
Yeah. I need a blanket on.
What are you going to do to Chloe?
And a sticky diaper. Ew.
What? What are you going to do?
I'm going to say diaper. Ew. Yuck.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Alright, are you ready?
Yep.
It's gonna stink.
Ew. Her belly.
You have to be careful with their belly, okay?
Okay, now what are you going to do?
Turn the sticky diaper.
Okay.
Maybe not. You want Grandma to help you?
Yep. Ew, you baby thing.
Tell her it's okay.
It's okay, Chloe. It's okay. Ew.
Look at me. Jasmine. Look at me. Jasmine. What's in her diaper? What's...
Poopy?
Not like this? Finish wiping her.
Good job.
Easy. Easy her little bottom sore still. Here, wipe her bottom.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it went up her back.
Okay, is she all clean now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Nope.
Do we need one more?
You need to hurry.
What?
I said you need to hurry. You gotta go faster.
Hey, Chloe's not going anywhere.
Chloe's not going.
Yeah, but Mommy's gonna start leaking milk everywhere.
What?
Okay, let's put some butt cream on her.
Okay, I'm gonna go clean.
Don't let her put that. Just a little too far.
And Grandma's gonna put it on, then you're gonna put her diaper on her, okay? Okay, where's her diaper at? No, her clean diaper.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
She got cream on her and wiped it off.
Okay. Get the back side. Can you pull the tape open? Okay, go ahead. Let's pull a little tighter. There we go.
Okay. You're king.
Okay, now what are you going to do? You're going to put her pants on her?
Yeah.
No, you gotta put her shirt on first.
Oh yeah, we do have to. Cause it buzzes the bottom.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh yeah. Grandma, take this off of her.
It's my turn.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to put her gloves back on too when you're done, okay? Okay. Wait, put her shirt on first. Ready? Is she bad?
No. Hurt.
Wait a second, Jasmine. Here, let Grandma help you just a second, okay? Wait, let Jasmine try and wait. You gotta let go, okay?
I need to.
Yeah, you need to help. There she is.
Okay.
This is the longest diaper change I've ever seen.
Okay, let me put her shirt on and you can put her pants on, okay?
Say, hurry, Grandma.
Hurry, Grandma.
Look at me. Say, what's taking so long?
What's taking so long?
Love you.
Love you.
No, I love you.
No, love you.
Jennifer, Jennifer must have got her this. What do you think?
Mm-mm.
No?
She went and got Liana one, though, to match. But I'm sure Liana's grown out of it. That's definitely backwards. The buttons go in the back.
The tag's in the back.
Alright, you guys need to hurry up. I need her. She was screaming for 7 minutes. Watch her belly button, Mom.
Good job, Jasmine.